we've lost two or three birds in the last couple of weeks. We thought they might be.
So have you seen it today?
Well, it's in the log.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I was sort of trying to torch down it.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, it's right in the middle.
Yep.
So... Did you see him?
No.
Yeah, it's like right here.
Yeah.
Really awkward spot. It's a pretty colour. I'm just going to try and push him straight out your way.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Is he coming?
Yeah, he's turning
Oh,
around.
yeah, have a look at him through here.
His tail's on this side. I can't see his head.
Oh, he's a grumpy shit. Coming out?
His head's just there. He's only little.
Oh yeah. Dickinson, put the game away.
Did he just...
His
Pop
head,
out the
his
bottom?
head was just there.
He's going around the bend, so I can't really poke him anymore. So we've just got to... Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a coastal carpet python, so it's a subspecies.
Yeah.
It's pretty much just the species we have here. Don't wiggle him back in.
I'm not trying to.
Oh, here he is. Bloody hell. Oh, look at that. Now we just got to try and...
Want me to
hoax
tickle
him
his
out.
butt?
Yeah. He is only a little one. But unfortunately this size can take on that size bird quite easily.
Well, he's had more than one, okay?
Apparently, yeah, I did hear. Alright, do you want to jump out?
Yeah, just you back.
They are quite nippy at this age, so I'm just trying not to
Yeah.
get any sudden movements in front of him. So you reckon he's been hanging in there for a bit, eh?
Well, yeah. I mean, I've got one of those snake things there. It's not doing much good.
No, they don't work. So those things send a vibration through the floor, but
Yeah.
snakes hunt food through vibration. So it's actually drawing them in.
Oh, gee. I
Yeah.
gave one to all of my neighbours to keep.
Yeah, no, you're just
But
bringing them in.
this is the second snake we've had.